guys, we're currently in Lakeland, the home of Ireland Boys Productions, and we're not doing a collab, sadly. So,
Oh yeah,
you're on a bike right now! You're on a bike, no matter what you think. So, we're bike racing. My brother Lawson,
Hey,
you can't see him, which is a good thing because he's so ugly. Just
hey,
kidding. Anyway, so we're going to be racing with our bikes. My bike right here, my beautiful, ugly, used bike that I just bought.
Our grandpa got us a surprise, and it was old bikes.
So, anyway, we're going to be racing. I'm probably going to win.
Yeah, because my camera, it's just, if it drops.
It's just derpy, okay?
Yeah,
If it drops, if it just starts falling, you pick it up and hold it
yeah.
the right way. We tried filming this earlier and it didn't work. Somebody put it up the wrong way.
Sorry.
So if the camera's, Lawson, if the camera's deep down, that's a good right way. Okay? The way it is now is a good way.
Yep.
Everybody's a good way if you know how to do it, right? It's like that time, when we were doing things. It didn't go so well.
And guys, if we drop you, we're gonna stop and get you guys because, yeah, phones cost a lot of money.
We don't want to get run over by some hobos.
Yeah. Like, ooh, what's that rectangular object right there on the street? I don't know. It's like $400. Let's go run over it. Oh. And I got that from Henry Danger. You should go watch that show. It's a really good show.
Do you not watch the one that sucks?
It was when, what's it called? It was like Dodging Danger. I think, yeah, Dodging Danger. It was when Jasper and Henry, they were talking, and Mitch says, are you guys going to come and play, or are you just going to stand there and kiss? And Jasper says, we're just good friends. Oh, we're just good friends. I'm Jasper and Henry, and I'm a good friend. That's what he did.
You
So we
should
got
not watch Nickelodeon's The Wayne stuff.
Hey, some people like that show, so.